Alright, what's going on, Paul fam? We're actually with some fans. This is Drew and Coltin. And yeah, they just they found me, and we're gonna be playing some arcade games. So, all right, playing the big one. Also, the name of my big toe. Go all the way over. Yeah.
Is it all over here?
Yep.
I'm thinking.
That's gonna be risky because it's too over, too much over.
I think that's
You know what? Yeah, just
that's the best I can do.
follow your heart. Oh wow, wow, that is so loose. They need to tighten some bolts, like.
That thing looks so depressed.
Yeah, it
looks so depressed.
The arm looks like it was just all of his legs.
Yeah, I know. It looks like the whole thing is just about to fall apart. Like.
Oh wow, that's too heavy.
It is.
I have perfect grip on it.
Those balls. This ball can't grab balls, literally. Oh, same thing. It's a little stronger each time until it's just like ready to pay out. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, man. What?
Now it's on its side though, it has some air underneath it.
Oh yeah.
What's with the body?
It's got it.
Definitely. Oh, wait. There it is. Oh, man. This is the one. So I feel a tingly feeling.
Oh my gosh.
Never mind. Just some gas.
Let's try another machine.
You got this. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, what? Oh my.
They're off getting the bird, like green bird in front of it. Maybe.
Oh, let's go. There you go. Boom. Hey, Garfield. Yeah. No, take it.
This is for you, bro.
Trust me.
No, this is for you.
You have no idea how much I don't need that right now. That's
Okay.
fine.
We have
Take it. Yeah, I wish I could be like the one winning it and then giving it to you. So.
That is true.
Yeah, we have a lot to do.
Oh yeah, trust me. I've been there. Oh, you know what? Wow.
That thing's weird.
What? Dude, look at it. It's like it can't stay close. Let's just try that right there. Oh man.
Let's see how it is.
That was good, right?
Oh, there you go. What? Oh wow.
2 seconds.
Grab both of those.
Oh wow. You know what? I'm gonna go for these.
Yeah, go for it, man.
I'll see right there.
Wow. That was something.
That was off.
Just like a lot. Just by like a ton. Oh, you know what?
I think it's got it.
You know what? Oh, dang, it's wedged. Yeah. The claw actually seemed like it wants to be generous.
It did.
Oh, it's wedged it back down. He like gets wedged out, then gets pushed out. He has mixed feelings if he wants to be one. Changes his mind. Must be a girl. Changes his mind a lot.
Must be Scooby-Doo.
Oh, you know what? Oh, wait.
Slow down.
Oh,
But that's perfect. These aren't our channel.
Oh, that's perfect. You got that.
Oh,
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I got that. There we go. Sweet.
That was paid out.
Yeah, there you go. That was such a good grab. Even if it went to let it go, it couldn't.
Yeah.
It spins not like that. Oh.
might get it.
Oh.
Here, let me go for him.
You could have like a neon dance mode. Yeah, like guys, I brought all my friends. Go up. Swing it. Come in one with the tag.
I ripped up the tag though.
Not now. Remember?
Yeah, no, but like he's not part of DC.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, you got
wow.
that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, not doing it out yet.
The long
It
round.
almost like it was like tipping on that screen's head.
You watch it.
No.
Oh.
It like wants to do it, but doesn't.
No. Do it for me.
For all of us.
Well, I'm asking. Oh, you
dang
didn't
it.
do it for me. No one ever does it for me.
I'll do it for you.
Scooby's pink little
Oh,
head.
there you go. There you go.
what?
There you go.
Stay in there. Oh.
They don't want me to have.
You're like really bad at this thing. Goes like, oh.
They don't want you to have.
I'm feeling this. No.
Oh, there you go.
No.
Maybe.
Scooby. Oh.
Here, let me go for it.
No, Scooby. I want to get like a souvenir, like that says.
Yeah. Like they should have something that says won this from
Oh, shit.
Oh wait, you know